everyone, and welcome back to Englivo English, a place where English feels simple, friendly, and stress-free.
If you're learning English and you feel nervous when talking to people, you are not alone.
Many beginners know English words, but when it's time to speak, the mind goes blank.
You don't know what to say. You don't know how to start, and you're afraid of making mistakes.
That's exactly why today's episode is important. Today, we're learning small talk in English, the kind of short, friendly conversations people use every day, all around the world.
This episode is slow, simple, and beginner-friendly.
So relax, listen carefully, and speak along with us.
Rachel, before we start, what exactly is small talk?
Small talk is short, polite, friendly conversation. It's not deep and it's not personal. People use small talk to feel comfortable with each other.
So it's not about big topics.
No, small talk is about easy topics that everyone understands. For example, the day, work or study, free time, weather, simple plans.
And grammar doesn't need to be perfect.
Exactly. Small talk is about communication, not perfection. Simple English is good English.
Starting a conversation is very difficult for beginners.
Yes, because people think too much. But starting is actually very easy. Here are some global conversation starters you can use anywhere. Hi, how are you? Hello, nice to meet you. Hey, how's your day going?
These are short and simple.
Yes, short sentences feel natural.
How do people usually reply?
Here are common replies. I'm good, thanks. And you? Pretty good. Not bad. I'm doing well.
So even one sentence is enough?
Yes, you don't need a long answer. Now, let's practice together. Now, let's practice together. Repeat after me. Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. And you?
Good. Let's continue.
What is the easiest topic after starting?
Your day. Everyone has a day, so everyone can talk about it. You can ask, how was your day? Was your day busy? How's your day going so far?
And answers?
Here are simple answers beginners can use. It was good. It was busy. It was a long day. It was quiet.
Can we add more detail?
Yes, one extra sentence is enough. For example, it was busy but good. It was quiet. I stayed at home. It was a long day, but I feel fine. Repeat after me. How was your day?
It was busy but good.
Excellent.
Work and study are very common topics.
Yes, people talk about work everywhere in the world. You can ask, what do you do? Do you work or study?
And answers?
Here are beginner-friendly answers. I work in sales. I work in IT. I'm a student. I work from home.
What if I don't want to give many details?
That's okay. Small talk does not need details.
How can beginners sound more friendly?
Talk about free time. You can ask, what do you do in your free time? Do you have any hobbies?
And answers?
I like watching movies. I enjoy walking. I listen to music. I like cooking. These sentences are simple, but very natural.
What mistakes should beginners avoid?
First, don't speak too fast. Second, don't translate in your head. Third, don't try to sound advanced. Simple English sounds confident. Now let's do a full small talk conversation.
Okay.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. And you?
Pretty good. How was your day?
It was busy, but good.
What do you do?
I work from home.
Nice. What do you do in your free time?
I like watching movies.
Small talk is not difficult.
You just need practice.
Practice a little every day.
And don't be afraid of mistakes.
Thank you for listening to Englivo English.
Subscribe for more real-life English conversations.